Hi everyone, welcome to Weekend Workshop Tips, and this is another tip in the series. And I came about this idea from watching a video by Tommy Jobson, who's a clockmaker here in the UK, and it got me thinking that actually this may be a useful tip for others who just general sort of work in the machine shop or workshop. Most of us have reasonably big vices. This is, you know, I'm fortunate enough to have this record 36, which is got 6-inch jaws there, and but when you're working on something really sort of small, sometimes it's a bit too sort of cumbersome and hard to manage. So what I had spotted Tommy doing was he had put a vice, he fitted it to a block of wood, and then put the block of wood into his normal vice. So then he had a far smaller one to do anything that, you know, a smaller component, and work on that. And the other advantage is it brings you up a lot higher, so it's far closer to your eyesight. So this, I mean, this is a bit of hardwood of some description, but I mean, you don't really need that. I'm fortunate enough to share a workshop with a couple of joiners, and this was just in the scrap bin. So I just screwed the vice to it, and I've added 9 inches to the height here, and it works pretty well. So this is my Jobson Vice Adaptor. So thanks for that, Tommy, and hopefully it may be useful to some of you other guys. There's a few other tips in the series. I think the series is called something for the weekend. At the end of this video, I'll show you, or I'll put a link to those, so there may be a few other things that may be of interest. So that's about it for today. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.